Okay, end result, baby. Hello besties, welcome back. It's been a while. I miss you all. I missed you so much as I miss myself. So let's first go ahead and change this hairstyle. I'm tired of this color, so let's change this look of mine really quick, and I'll give you a tea of what has been cooking with your girl. So first I'm gonna remove the old one. All I need is water. I'm just gonna give it a few minutes and we're gonna take it off. Okay, let's see. Okay, there we go. All right, so this is what we look like. We're not gonna stay like this too long, so let's go ahead and place the new one. Okay, so here's the new cap. This one seemed to be a little bit smaller. No, it's gonna check my head. I find another one. Here we go. Yep, this one is a bit loose and I like it like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just try to put a little bit of, I'm not gonna put a concealer in this one. I'm gonna put a bronzer just to tint it a little bit. Okay, so this is what we got so far. Okay, so this is my new baby. It's highlighted. It came 200% density is highlighted, as you can see. Came from Amazon. Is overnight delivery, and this one cost me $89. So it came overnight because in the middle of the night I decided to look different when I wake up. So I placed my order. Overnight delivery came around 8 o'clock this morning, and I'm ready to put her on. So this is what she look like. It is a 13 by 6 in the middle and 13 by 4 on the side. It's 28 inches. This is what it look like. It is body width. I like the fullness of it, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna cut this lace and we get started. Okay, so back lace is off. It doesn't have a headband in there. I think that's my only problem. There is no headband, but it does have 3 clips. The front lace will deal with that shortly after, but in the meantime this lace is not invisible, so I'm gonna have to add a little bit of bronzer just to change it. Okay, so this is what it turned out to be, and clip at the back. Let's see. Okay, it's right here, ear to ear. Now I love this one. Most likely these wigs, when they come, my hairline is kind of a little bit weird, so it's hard for me to get it full, but this one, see, my hairline is completely gone underneath. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it right here, just a little bit, and a little bit. Okay, for the hairline, I'm gonna cut it right here, so we have something to go with, and at the end we're just gonna take that piece of it out. So I am gonna take this part of it off before it goes to my hair, right? Okay, next I need these 3 stuff. I need a comb, the aerosol adhesive spray. This is the Wonderless one, and I need this. So okay, so here we go. We are gonna start from here. Alright, now let's take this off. I need a closer look. Okay, this is hot enough. Okay, honey boo. Okay, end result, baby. Okay, here we go. So stay tuned. VT is coming in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.